Welcome back to the world of trucks from Lima, Ohio. Today, Class 6 mud drags. Once again, here's Doc Riley.
The Performance Marketplace. It's where everything happens when truck owners are looking for the latest and greatest, the newest products for their vehicle. And let me tell you, this is a great product. We've seen bed liners, we've seen spray liners, but right now you and the guys at Dual Comp have got something incredibly new.
Incredibly new. What we've done is take all of the good features that have existed in the marketplace, put them all together, and come up with a product that gives you skid resistance but total bed protection. It's a problem with everything else that's out there.
It is a problem, and it's come a long, long way. What about the features of the product?
Well, what you have is hard plastic sides. Protects you from getting paint scratches and dings from throwing tools in your bed, or toys for that matter. On the floor, you have a rubber mat, which really protects the bed with shock absorption, and it keeps your cargo where you put it. Things don't slide around. It gives you the best of both worlds again, and the mat is removable so that, you know, if you haul a load of dirt or maybe mulch or something, do some gardening, you can clean the bed out completely, do a good job, make sure everything is spotless before you're done.
Okay, I'm not the world's greatest wrench. Sometimes that kind of stuff is complicated. Doesn't seem like it's all that complicated.
No, it's very easy to install.
That's good.
Takes a man anywhere, a man or a woman for that matter. Even with very minimal skills, a maximum of 20 minutes to install one.
Available for any type of pickup bed?
Full-size trucks right now. We'll be expanding into the mid-size and the compacts later on in the hopefully this year yet.
Well, as we've told you, this is one of those unique features that we love to preview here on World of Trucks, and we'll give you complete information on how to find out more information at the end of the broadcast, so stay tuned to pick up that website information.
Meanwhile, back out on the track, we will find Tommy Chick driving a vehicle called All Mine. It's a Jeep, by the way, 482 cubic inch engine. He will face Todd James in the California Shaker.
And you see the wing, the rear wing, and also the wheelie bar that Todd James brings on the California Shaker. And the fact that Tommy Chick doesn't have it doesn't mean that he's any less serious. The strategies are just a little bit different for each competitor here. Notice, though, Tommy Chick's wheelbase a little bit shorter, and you can see right away that Todd James and the California Shaker not only is able to keep the motor together, but also put more power where it counts, and that's to the drive wheels, principally the rears, but also the front helm.
Chad Marshall, by the way, not able to answer the call, but that will bring up another Chad Miller in the Instant T.
And this is a great chance to see one of the better looking machines. You can see the roll cage about how well they're constructed and how enclosed the driver is. You don't see a whole lot of movement there. And of course, just like any form of motorsports, you really have to become glued to the machine and feel it.
And safety equipment being oh so important here. That will bring up Charles Doster in the Purple Passion. He will face Rick Kruski in Blown Money.
And Rick has actually got about 100 more cubic inch displacement that he's got to work with here. Sometimes a bigger motor helps, sometimes it doesn't. A lot of it depends on how you set the machine up. For example, a lot of time will be spent adjusting tire pressure. Sometimes the boost levels will be adjusted. Pulley sizes and the superchargers will be changed. Sometimes even biasing weight to the front or the rear of the machine is going to be done, all in an effort to try to read the track. Sounds a little bit like drag racing on asphalt, doesn't it, Claude?
Well, it sure does, Griff, and the main thing, as always, is get the horsepower to the track. Speaking of that, we'll be back.